Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. Our video mainly demonstrates two new feature points, which is quite meaningful. So we made this video to record it for you. Then, I'll first defeat this monster. Then, after we complete the weapon pickup, we will pick up some items to improve our inventory system. You can see this quick operation pulls out the equipment. The right side is our warehouse. The middle is our backpack. The left is the quick equipment bar. That's about it. Then you can see we will also deduct bullets from the backpack. This exchange function is also available here. You can move items around, but you cannot move bullets to the equipment bar. You can move weapons to the equipment bar. The quick access bar at the lower right will be displayed in synchronization. Of course, this backpack definitely supports the network. Think. It must be network enabled, because you don't support the backpack with network. That's too easy. Then what follows is this damage calculation. In fact, the damage calculation is one of our most crucial functions. It will be based on our entire item system. In cases such as the weapon system, etc. Then you can see that the damage from our previous pistol was 18 points, but it's 306 now. So, how did this come about? In fact, it is this place. Our basic attack is 10 points. Then for defense, we calculate it as 2 points. Now test. Then the monster's defense is also 2 points. Then in this case, it's actually 26 points. So where do the remaining 10 points come from? So we make these 10 points into additional damage. What needs to be tested as the code for additional damage? In fact, you can just take a look. It's just a matter of slightly modifying it with set caller. Think. Approximately. That's when we fired before. So we need to add an additional damage. This design will be modified in the weapon instances later. That is, we will implement a multi-prefix design. Therefore, in this location, this 10-point damage comes from this location. Then the GE here is the handgun's damage GE. The handgun provides 18-point default damage. So adding this up, it actually totals 38 points minus 2 points of defense, which results in 28 points. Think. Probably this harm came about like this. We will proceed on this basis. Think. Add weapon damage, as well as our character attributes damage. Think. Also critical strike dodge, these things. Everything is like this. Now is the basic process. But should soon after a few videos think, should be able to add some additional, then add a more refined later. That's it for this video. We'll record up to here. Think.